Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a French onion dip that comes from Magnolia Table from Joanna Gaines, and this is an amazing French onion dip, and I have made it already, and I'm going to be making it for a get-together, and I figured I would share it with you guys because there's going to be a lot of get-togethers during the holiday season, and this is an easy homemade French onion dip. It is absolutely delicious. It makes a very big batch, and so you know, it's great if you are having a lot of people over to the house. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. I'm going to cook it up, and I'll give it a taste at the end of the video, and you can kind of get an idea of whether I like it or not. So anyway guys, come along with me.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Alright guys, so one thing I forgot when I was cooking my onions, I forgot that at the last couple minutes you add 2 minced garlic cloves into your onions. So I forgot about that, and I added them after my onions were already cooled. I just took my onions out and cooked up the garlic in the pan. It'll be fine. I'll just add that in to the mix. So it's been a long day. So basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix up 3 cups of sour cream, 2 cups of mayo, a tablespoon of celery salt, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna mix that all together. The onions, we let them cool and then we chop them and mix them in. So I'm gonna put the camera down, show you that process, and then I'll give it a taste for you guys. Alright guys, I'm going to give it a taste. I've got my Fritos. I'm going to serve this with Ruffles potato chips and Fritos. I love Fritos. I usually get the scoops, but they didn't have any scoops today. They were all out. So I'm just going to take my little Frito here. And I'm not going to double dip. I'm just going to take one dip. If you like onion dip, you will absolutely love this dip. This is better than hell of a good dip. This is better than any kind of onion dip you can buy at the store. This is absolutely fabulous, absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna be serving this to my guests tomorrow as an appetizer. It's all we'll need, and it's gonna be delicious. This is such a, it looks like you went to a lot of trouble, but it really isn't that much work. You just throw everything together. The hardest thing is cooking the onions. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give this a try. I hope you'll let me know if you do. And it's going to be a hectic Christmas season. I am doing a few videos ahead of time, so you'll see some of these. You'll see me wearing the same outfits. That's okay, because I'm trying to get a lot of things into 4 weeks of videos. So that being said, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you'll consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Take care. Oops, bye for now.
Can I try a bit?
Hubby's gonna try a bit.
Oh, it's still on?
Well, I'll put that on at the at the end. How is it?
Delicious.
Delicious, huh? Want me to put a little bit in a bowl for you?
That's okay.
Yeah. You can't wait till tomorrow.
That's really good.
That's good?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Enjoy.